Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera and here you have to click on more. Then you have to choose this slow-mo. Then you have to click on it and make a slow motion video. I'll show you. Just click on it and you have to just do this. And you can see friends, this is how you can make slow motion video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.